dramatic sound effect of wind howling. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of extreme weather with some surprising facts about hurricanes and tornadoes. From the swirling vortex of a tornado to the colossal span of a hurricane, we'll uncover the science behind their formation and the devastating impact they can have. Hurricanes and tornadoes, though often grouped together as violent storms, are distinct phenomena. Hurricanes are vast, swirling systems of low pressure, drawing their energy from warm ocean waters. Tornadoes are violently rotating columns of air, born from powerful thunderstorms. Both are awe-inspiring displays of nature's raw energy, capable of shaping landscapes and leaving a lasting impact on human lives. One of the most striking differences between hurricanes and tornadoes lies in their scale. A hurricane can span hundreds of miles in diameter, dwarfing even the largest of cities. Tornadoes, while still impressive, are far smaller, rarely exceeding a mile in width. A hurricane can churn over warm waters for days, even weeks, leaving a trail of destruction across entire coastlines. Tornadoes, however, are ephemeral, often lasting only minutes, sometimes just seconds. Hurricanes are creatures of the tropics, born over warm ocean waters, while tornadoes are most commonly found over land, spawned from severe thunderstorms. Imagine a storm system so vast it could engulf an entire state. The largest hurricane ever recorded, Typhoon Tip in 1979, reached an astonishing 1,380 miles in diameter. Their sheer size allows them to gather incredible amounts of moisture, unleashing torrential rains and catastrophic flooding. This sustained intensity makes them a major threat to coastal communities. Tornadoes are all about raw, concentrated power. These whirling vortices of air can pack wind speeds exceeding 300 miles per hour. They can rip buildings from their foundations and hurl cars through the air. Tornadoes can form and dissipate rapidly, sometimes with little warning. Their paths can be erratic, making them particularly difficult to track and prepare for. The year was 1900. The city of Galveston, Texas, a bustling port on the Gulf Coast, was unaware of the impending doom lurking just offshore. On September 8th, a powerful hurricane known as the Great Galveston Hurricane made landfall. The storm surge engulfed the island city. Buildings were reduced to rubble, streets transformed into raging rivers. Over 6,000 souls had perished, making the Great Galveston Hurricane the deadliest natural disaster in U.S. history. It stands as a stark reminder of the destructive power of nature. Dow, March 18, 1925. A monstrous tornado, later dubbed the Tri-State Tornado, carved a path of destruction across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. It remained on the ground for an astonishing 219 miles, a record that stands to this day. Along its relentless path, it leveled entire towns. The Tri-State Tornado claimed the lives of 695 people, making it the deadliest tornado in U.S. history. Its sheer ferocity serves as a chilling reminder of the awesome power of nature's most violent winds. Hurricanes may seem like random acts of nature, but their formation follows a specific recipe. It all begins over warm ocean waters, typically near the equator. As the sun beats down, water evaporates, rising into the atmosphere and carrying vast amounts of heat energy with it. This cycle of rising, cooling, and condensing creates an area of low pressure at the surface, drawing in more warm, moist air. If the conditions are just right, the system can intensify, its winds spiraling faster and faster, until it reaches the status of a hurricane. Unlike their hurricane cousins, tornadoes are born within the heart of powerful thunderstorms, often those known as supercells. These behemoths of the sky possess a unique characteristic, a rotating updraft of air known as a mesocyclone. As warm, moist air is drawn into the storm, it collides with cooler, drier air, creating an unstable atmosphere ripe for tornado formation. If this rotating column of air, known as a funnel cloud, touches the ground, it officially becomes a tornado. The intensity of a tornado is determined by the strength of the rotating updraft and the temperature differences between the warm and cold air masses. From the seemingly innocuous to the downright menacing, hurricane names have become a part of our lexicon. The practice of naming hurricanes began centuries ago as a way to track and communicate about these powerful storms. Today, the World Meteorological Organization maintains a rotating list of names for Atlantic hurricanes. If a hurricane is particularly deadly or costly, its name is retired from the list. Names like Katrina, Harvey, and Sandy are etched in our collective memory, testaments to the destructive power of these storms. In the heart of the United States lies a region known as Tornado Alley. This notorious corridor experiences the highest frequency of tornadoes anywhere in the world. Warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico collides with dry, cold air descending from Canada. This clash of air masses creates an unstable atmosphere ripe for tornado formation. While tornadoes can occur anywhere in the world, Tornado Alley stands as a testament to the specific atmospheric ingredients required to brew these meteorological marvels. From the towering walls of water driven by a hurricane to the ferocious winds of a tornado, extreme weather events command our respect. Understanding these phenomena, their formation, and their potential impact is crucial for mitigating the risks they pose. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these surprising facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Stay safe, and see you next time.